Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to get TradingView Premium features for free in 2026. First of all, come here on tradingview.com, then log into your account if you haven't already. Once you are here, click on the option of products in order to launch the chart in front of you. Once you see your chart in front of you, simply click on this layout setup here on the top. Now, when you click on any of these layouts, you will be shown this type of pop-up in front of you, where it is going to basically say that in order to get access to this particular feature, you will need to subscribe to their premium plan. The best thing is that you can use TradingView absolutely for free for the next 30 days. And for this, it require you to add the payment method, but no money will be debited from your account. So here, click on the option of 30-day free trial. After that, here on the plan page, you just have to choose that particular plan which you want to basically get. You can just come here on the premium plan. You can choose the plus plan. You can also choose the essential plan. For example, let's say you want to subscribe for the plus plan. So after clicking on it, provide your login credentials. Here you just have to provide your first name, your country, your address related details. Then press next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to select your preferable payment method and conclude the payment. Now, as I've told you earlier, no money will be debited from your account and you will be able to basically activate your free trial on TradingView. Now you can start using all of the premium features available on TradingView for the next 30 days absolutely free. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.